What if the secret to living longer starts with your breakfast? Around the world, some of the healthiest populations eat surprisingly simple meals every morning. From Japan to India, these breakfasts are packed with nutrients that fuel the body and protect against disease. Let's count down the 10 healthiest breakfasts in the world. Starting our list is the smoothie bowl. Made from blended fruits and topped with seeds and nuts, it's rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Just watch out for added sugar, which can quickly turn a healthy breakfast into a dessert. Avocado toast has become popular worldwide for a reason. Avocados contain heart-healthy fats, fiber, and important nutrients like potassium. Add an egg on top and you have a balanced breakfast packed with protein and energy. Originating in Switzerland, Bircher Muesli combines soaked oats, fruits, yogurt, and nuts. The overnight soaking makes nutrients easier to absorb while creating a delicious, naturally sweet breakfast. Popular in the Middle East and North Africa, shakshuka consists of eggs poached in a flavorful tomato sauce. It's loaded with protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it both nutritious and satisfying. Turkey takes breakfast seriously. A traditional Turkish breakfast includes fresh vegetables, olives, cheese, eggs, and whole grain bread. This variety provides a wide range of nutrients and keeps you full for hours. Oatmeal remains one of the healthiest breakfasts ever created. Rich in beta-glucan fiber, it helps lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and support heart health. Add fruits and nuts for an even bigger nutritional boost. India contributes one of the healthiest breakfasts in the world, Idli Sambar. Idlis are steamed rather than fried and are naturally fermented, supporting gut health. Combined with protein-rich lentil sambar, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Greek yogurt contains almost twice the protein of regular yogurt. Combined with berries and nuts, it delivers probiotics, antioxidants, healthy fats, and long-lasting energy. The Mediterranean diet is considered one of the healthiest eating patterns on Earth. Breakfast often includes vegetables, eggs, olive oil, and whole grains. Studies consistently link this diet to longer life and lower rates of heart disease. At number 1 is the traditional Japanese breakfast. It may look simple, but it's packed with nutrition. Grilled fish provides omega-3 fatty acids, miso soup offers probiotics, and vegetables add fiber and vitamins. Japan has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, and breakfast is part of that healthy lifestyle. So which breakfast would you try first? The Japanese breakfast takes the crown, but every meal on this list offers powerful health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more fascinating facts about food, health, and cultures around the world.